So you wanna be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride.
You've got to pimp my ride.
Damn right.
You've got to pimp my ride.
All right. So hooked up the rear speakers. Had all the speakers out, but you actually have speakers in the background right now. So listening to that, definitely a big difference. And that's just the rear speakers. That's not the front speakers or the tweeters yet. But man, definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. So in going from speakers to subwoofer, again, didn't notice as big of a difference until that subwoofer was added. But having the subwoofer there and then adding the speakers, man, that's definitely a big difference too. So definitely the speakers have an impact. So having the subwoofer without the speakers, you're not really getting that much. But man, once you start adding the speakers, once you actually have the subwoofer and the bass in place, that makes a big difference. Man, I'm just trying to think what the rest of the sound system is going to sound like when I add the rest of the speakers in here. But it's sounding really good right now. So I put in JBL Stage 3 speakers, rear and front. I have 6x9s in the back, 6.5s in the front. And as far as the tweeters, they're going to be JBL Club 750T tweeters. So not sure what that sound's going to change into or how that's going to progress. But man, this is pretty good even without the front speakers in place. Like, this is really, really nice. So, stay tuned. More to come. All right, here we go.